What if AI could save you over 2 hours every single day? Here are 7 powerful AI tools you should start using today. ChatGPT helps you write emails, brainstorm ideas, summarize documents, and solve problems in seconds. It's one of the most useful AI assistants available today. Perplexity AI searches the web and gives clear answers with sources, making research much faster than traditional search engines. Gamma creates beautiful presentations and documents automatically. Just describe your idea, and it builds professional slides within minutes. Canva AI helps you create stunning graphics, social media posts, and thumbnails quickly without advanced design skills. CapCut AI speeds up video editing with automatic captions, background removal, and smart editing tools. Notebook LM helps you understand long documents, summarize, research, and organize information faster. Claude is excellent for long-form writing, coding assistance, and detailed explanations, making complex tasks much easier. Which AI tool is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips every week.